Good day. My name is Aarti Arthur Kulaso, and for entrepreneurship management, my topic today is OYO, Transforming Hospitality Worldwide. Yes, OYO was started by Ritesh Agarwal. Let's have a look at its inception and what all Ritesh Agarwal went through on this journey of entrepreneurship. Ritesh was born in 1993 in Cuttack. His vision laid the foundation for the entrepreneurship spirit that redefined the hospitality industries. OYO was born in 2013. OYO stands for On Your Own. The basic goal of Ritesh Agarwal or for the launch of OYO was basically to provide affordable, reliable, as well as standardized accommodation globally. Now, Ritesh, from an early life, he was a very curious person. He was very curious. He learned a lot of things on his own. His family ran a very small shop in Orissa. He was raised by a middle class family. He did his studies there in Cuttack itself and moved to Delhi and joined college in 2011. As a teenager, Ritesh was already an entrepreneur. He tried earning money by selling SIM cards. He discovered coding and spent a large day of his day learning how to code. Now, many of us spend time in lectures, classrooms to learn new things. However, Ritesh loved spending times and attended events and conferences. There, he got to know business owners and shared tables with them. At the age of 17, he dropped out of college. Now, his entrepreneur journey, he had it in himself to help others. He loved traveling, and this love for traveling helped him realize that it was very difficult for budgeted travelers to find decent accommodations. In 2011, that is way before OYO, he launched Oravel Travels. It was modeled based on Airbnb. He was able to secure a $40,000 funds from Venture Nursery. And I think it was it saw some success because the main aim was customer first. Now, OYO was basically the unicorn startup of India. He received the Thiel Fellowship grant of 1 lakh USD, and he was the first Asian to receive it. Now, because of this, he got an opportunity to learn from all the famed Silicon Valley entrepreneurs, investors, thinkers, and visionaries. Oracle was relaunched as OYO Rooms in 2013. In a way, when OYO was launched, it also helped small and independent hotel owners to improve quality of their service through upgrades. Then OYO Hotels and Homes was expanded. He empowered small and independent businessmen in the hospitality sector. Boost of tourism due to budget-friendly prices made a huge impact on all the people wanting to travel. OYO revitalized and standardized accommodation, breathing new life into previously undeserved areas. Now, there are many challenges faced by entrepreneurs. Let's take a look at the challenges faced by Ritesh and faced by OYO as a whole. There was a lot of market competition. There were regulatory hurdles. Apart from that, it was noticed that OYO offered unavailable rooms which were not associated with OYO anymore. Then OYO also at times offered rooms from unlicensed hotels, guest house. Workers at properties run directly by OYO conspired to keep the guests checked in even after they left. The workers then cleaned and resold the rooms for cash to other guests and kept the money in their pockets. And also COVID 19 had a huge impact on Oyo rooms. Despite the challenges, Oyo and Ritesh Agarwal for launching Oyo was globally recognized and has won a lot of awards. He won awards like Market Entrant of the Year 2019, Best Startup Sate Awards 2019, Best Travel Startup Jury at Zee Business Travel Awards 2018, Startup of the Year Express IT Awards 2050, and many, many more. Oyo, to conclude, let me tell you, Oyo emerged as one of the promising startups. The concept of commitment and trust perfectly mingled together. Their work was in accordance to the need, comforts, and requirements of the people, basically budget friendly and standardized accommodations that are decent and livable. Business propositions, there was accessibility, affordability, predictability, as well as availability. To quote Ritesh, don't worry about being successful, but towards being significant, and the success will naturally flow. Another classic quote, the best things about being an entrepreneur is that you get to learn every day. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.